So today we're dealing with another day of 90+ degree temperature. The whole plan on these kind of days that's worked out pretty well is to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning and have a quick cup of coffee, feed the fish, and get out on the open road. And so far, by 11 or 12 o'clock, it's really not even enjoyable to ride. So we're trying to make I don't know, the most out of what's turned out to be a super hot summer. But we are getting riding, and in the end, that's the bottom line. And we did get a reasonably long, in fact, it was about a 170-mile day on the new pegs to make sure they were comfortable. They certainly worked out as good as I could ever expect. And probably in the future, at some point in time, when I get bored, I'll order another set for the Green Ninja. Has those slippery round pegs, which I'm not sure I really like, but they came with the bike, and now it's going to be a good excuse to upgrade them. And now that we know these work fine. You don't want to go for a ride without feeding the fish, that's for sure. Just the other day we got out really early, and what was nice, some of the in the early morning, some of the photographs that we took that day came out real nice. No sun reflection on them. Oh, it just looks like we're going to have another spectacular day. We are really in a nice spell of weather here. And early in the morning, that cup of coffee, I could sit out here and just admire this bike for its beauty. It is really, to me, a beautiful motorcycle. But I do have to admit, I am just a little bit prejudiced. All right, it's time to get out. what a beautiful day. Now look, you just look up at the sky. You just can't believe. We're in the low 80s. It's going to go to 90 though. It's going to get hot this afternoon, that's for sure.
You got to get those color matching shocks in with that frame. Fucking shocks. Buddy.
Oh man, you're a rookie. You only been doing this 52 years. We have some of everything at Perry's. You name it, we got it. Now it's a shame. This is a nice bike, but he just doesn't maintain it. Just not clean. Bugs all over it. Rims are dirty. Tires need replacement. What a shame. Luciano, get better, my boy.
Get well, Luciano.
Get well, Luciano.
How's he doing?
He's doing good.
Good.
Brett. Hey, Luciano. I took the pink shirt off. I got a real. What's this there? Look at this guy.
I was wearing it for you yesterday.
and of course, Porno Pete. Where is Porno
No,
Pete?
it's not Porno Pete.
Where is Porno
He's
Pete?
coming. He shouldn't be
He's
walking
coming,
through the
huh?
door.
So
Any
he's-
minute now.
He's got to sneak out of the house right now.
You hear that? Say it louder, because he didn't pick up the sound.
Take a picture of the Manly bike, not the Jap
I mean, Norton. I never saw.
Where's the yellow Ducati? You could have been riding with me. 2 yellow bikes, like 2 bumblebees.
Well, I'm enjoying it.
Hey. This is the true story now. Charlie got new gear since Luciano's accident. Thank you, Luciano, for that.
And I only tell the truth, and that's what
The whole
that is.
truth and nothing but the truth.
And my title to this little story is, "This is the Luciano effect on me."
Now you notice, Alpine Star went up, their stock went up through the roof since Luciano's accident. Now don't forget, I'll spell my name again so that you can put this in the will. You're older than I am, so you don't want this to go to somebody like Pokey that'll flip it just to make money. Right, Kathy? No, but Pokey, it's all about the bucks. All about the Benjamins. This is a beautiful bike. just another beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful. There is not a cloud in the sky. It's just coming up on 90 degrees now. We got home nice and early from the ride. It just couldn't be any better. The only thing that could be better, if we were younger. And guess what? That ain't really happening. Anyway, hope you did enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.